This is a fit for a 2018 and beyond Hyundai Kona with factory installed flush side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Rapid Podium AeroBlade base roof rack system. The system is using the AeroBlade load bars in black, 47 inches in length, the 460R Rapid Podium Foot pack, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit, which includes the rubberized metal brackets and the rubber base pads, which connect to the flush side rail. This is part number KIT 4089. Recommended crossbar spacing is 27.5 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum load carrying capability is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our website for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.